Hey guys, welcome to MOV Farms. Well, I've been working on a little tractor here a little bit. This is the G4200, and a little bit of update to do on it. Pretty much we got everything done under here. It's all attached. PTO pumps on. I need to get some fittings for it this week. So you got the fittings already on there, and of course I got some different kind of hoses there, but I don't have the fittings that's going to work in, like fit into it. So these fittings here fit into the fittings on the pump there, but my hose over there, I need a bushing that goes inside of here, right, so I can thread my hose into it. So, and then run a hose underneath. So. Where's the hose? This is the hose here I'll be using fairly new hoses. So I need a bushing that goes from here to this and make that work. So yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. There's the winch that's going to power this blade up and down. And this blade here also, because it's all modified. I know you can't see it, but so basically I'll be able to angle this blade any which way I want, up and down, angle it. So that's kind of cool. So come on pretty good. We got everything's all the sides and everything. It's all ready to go. I'll show you that in a little minute here. So yeah, it's coming on pretty good. Be no time before I can get it. Well, I need to get it running, bleed it probably and such. So, here's the sides. I had to weld some pieces in here and make it more stronger. I'll take some filler and I'm going to go through all on these edges here and make it smooth. Because, I mean, you know, you may be catching your hands and stuff, scratching them and stuff. I basically want to do is put some body filler on there and sand it down, make it look decent. Then mask this off and paint a little bit of orange on there. And here too. I already got the hinge holes already made and drilled in for that there. so here are the hinges I made. They come off the original Murray tractor, and it works pretty good. I'm gonna go like that. Stop right there. So good enough for what we're doing. So I have to put like a little, maybe make it like a little rod or something so it sticks in here and so it doesn't flop away on you when you're doing something on there. So, it's all stuff. Anyway, that's what's coming pretty good. And I need to finish up this hood here and get everything back on here. And, get it going anyway. And the next is going to be back here. I put my arms down too low, and I'm going to have to raise them up a bit. Just put a piece of metal there. Raise it up about 3 inches. Because the yard's sitting down way too low, but it is the way it is. Yeah, so it's come on pretty good. The next thing to do is get fuel in it, get coolant in it, get fuel and coolant in it, and get it running. So the front end has some play in it, but we're going to work on that next winter. So the main thing is get it running, get the hydraulic set up on it, and get the backhoe on. And then I'm going to bring the backhoe in on the tractor. I'm going to modify the backhoe and going to do some work on it. And we'll see. But anyways, I'd bring it in on here and do some work on my old backhoe and get it working. And yeah, so this probably end up going to the ranch. And do some work on it. I'll have to do some irrigation projects with it. The ranch there, and my girlfriend's ranch anyway. So, so it'll be used up there for a while and see how it does. When it breaks, come bring it back home and fix it. So, but I have some stuff around here to do with it, so then I'll be able to take the backhoe off the other one and use it for the orchard. But it'll come in handy. looking forward to using it. Hopefully my uncle wasn't joking around with me, and hopefully it runs. I mean, it does run kind of decent, but I don't know. Cute little 2-cylinder. So go from there. See how it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and be more updates coming up soon. Oh well, and also we're going to be doing watering trees in, so we can show you some of that here pretty soon. Right.